In this video, I'm going to share with you an affordable funnel builder and email sender for beginner affiliate marketers. Now, this tool is called AdSense Builder. It is a funnel builder that you can get access to today, along with email marketing automations and email setup, okay, that you can get access to for only a $1 trial today, and then it's $20 per month. And as I said, this is called AdSense Builder. Now, once you see the funnel builder, you're going to recognize, because I use another funnel builder that is exactly like it, except this one has where you can actually set up email automation and email your list within this system itself. So as I said, it's called AdSense Builder. You can elevate your online business, build stunning pages and funnels, capture premium leads, and convert them into loyal customers and advocates. You can watch this short video. It's not real long. You can get started today, as I said, for $1. It's like a 5-day trial. You can get access to it to test it out. And yes, you can really create unlimited pages, unlimited funnel, website offers, and more just for $1 today. So here's a sample of what you're going to be able to do. Lead capture pages, membership sites, entire sale funnel, sale pages, upsell pages, launch sites, webinar pages, checkout pages, complete website, and there's a lot more that you can do with it. So you can get access to it today for $1. After 5-day trial, you're only going to pay $20 per month for unlimited access to the funnel builder. Now, I want you to know that the email sender inside of this funnel builder itself, it does have a cost after you reach a certain limit amount of leads, just like GetResponse and Aweber, but the prices are much cheaper. So let me show you that right now, and then I'm going to take you inside of the funnel builder itself. So here are the prices. Email automation, all add-ons come with email campaign automation flows, A/B testing, list and segmentation, in email history. So for 500 subscribers, up to 500 subscribers is free. But once you go over to 500 subscribers, then it's $9 monthly. Still much cheaper than Aweber or GetResponse. 1,000 plus is $19. 2,500 is $29. Okay, and this is monthly. Okay, understand that. 5,000 plus is 49, and you can see the rest of the numbers here. Okay, and then just so you know, every subscriber you get times 12 emails per month. Example, plus 1,000 add-on comes with 12,000 emails per month. Additional emails are 8 cents per 1,000 email. All prices are in USDA. So USD, I mean, not USDA. So you have access to not only the funnel builder, but you have access to an email in here where you can send out email. Understanding this is $20 per month. You know, once you go over 500 subscribers, then it's going to be $29 per month. But understand there's also an affiliate program to the AdSense Builder as well that you can get access to, so you can earn $10 recurring commissions on that as long as someone remains with the builder. So keep that in mind as well. So right now, let's go ahead and go inside of the website builder. This is the website builder. As I said, you may recognize it, you may not recognize it, but there's another funnel builder out there that's just like this one, except they do not have the emails, you know, where you can do your emailing inside of it. So this is one of the funnels that I'm using inside of this little system. I'm using this basically for solo ads in a system that I have set up inside of this funnel builder and the emails. Okay, so that's what I'm using this for. This is not necessarily for anything, you know, like my econ or any other business opportunity that I'm doing. This is strictly just for solo ads and for me to get CPA commissions. Okay, so this is one of the opt-in pages. Okay, if I come over here, this is the thank you page, and then I open these up in a new tab. I'm just walking you through the process, and then I have another system set up inside of here. Okay, learn how to earn 500 plus daily income with the 100 done for your system. This is the opt-in page that, and this is the page. Now, if you want this, you can get access to this as well, and I'll leave a link in the description. But this is just a little simple system that is set up inside of here, okay, that's already come pre-done if you want it that way, or you can just get the system and get the funnel builder and set up your own, emails, and set up your own capture pages and thank you pages and websites and all that good stuff. That's totally up to you. Okay, so if I come over here again, and let's just go back, and I'm going to open them up in a new tab so you can just kind of see what they are. If I come over here and just say, show a new tab, then that's the page. Someone opts in and goes through the process. Okay, same thing here, showing a new tab. Okay, or I can come over here and just click on here, and it'll take you to the page right there, the thank you page. Same thing here. So you see how that works. Okay, so if I come over here to my other funnel that I have set up, and this is another system that I got through the owner of AdSense Builder. Okay, this is an opt-in page, VSL, and the clone page. Okay, this is the opt-in page for that, and this is the opt-in page. I mean the VSL page, and then this is the setup page where people go in and set up everything. Okay, and it walks them step by step. So with this, you're able to do stores. You can set up a store, or store is currently disabled. I'm not going to activate it. You can set up stores in here. You have all your contacts here. I do have some contacts in here. I'm not going to show that. You can set up appointments and things like that. Create a new booking event. Over here, I'll come back to the email marketing here in a minute. Let's go back to the builder. Okay, with the builder, you're gonna have able to see all of your pages. Okay, you have a video to walk you through it. Then you're able to, this is where you drag and drop your widgets. You can just drag and drop anything onto this page. I'm not going to do that on this page simply because this is set up and I have traffic running to this right now. Okay, so you're able to drag and drop. Here, you're able to do your text styling, add your fonts, color palette, website layout, pages, and all of that. Watch the video to walk you through the process. This is where you're going to be able to see all of your funnels inside of that particular funnel that you have. In here, you're able to connect your domains, your language, your cookie setting, application, system emails, personalization, URL redirects, okay, custom code, page SEO, file manager. Okay, you can upload different files in here, such as PDF and images. No video file, but you can do PDFs and images in here as well. And of course, this is where you're going to be able to check out here, where you can just view the page. So you get all of that in here. If you want to build whatever, you can build websites in here. It really doesn't matter. Okay, it shows you the visitors that you have and all of that stuff right there. So you have the phone view, and you have a tablet view as well, and then you have the regular view. So you're able to do all that. So now that you've seen how the funnel builder works, let's look at the email marketing side of it and the messaging. Okay, so if we come over here to messaging workflow, over here you're going to have your dashboard. You see I got 46 subscribers in here. Okay, total emails sent. This is what you're going to watch this video. You can start a campaign, add subscribers, create subscriber lists, create automation flows. Okay, you can set up campaigns in here. I haven't set up any campaigns in here because I'm strictly just running the system that I was given. Okay, or the system that I was given. The only thing I had to purchase was the funnel builder in order to make this work. Okay, so if you want to check out that little system, it will be a link in the description. Okay, you're going to have your automations. You can see the automations I have for this particular funnel. You can see the open rates, your click rate, okay, email openers and things like that. You can set up automations here. You can create automations, all of that in here. You're able to see your list and subscribers. You can see the system emails. You can do different system emails here. You can send to your end customer. You have email templates in here as well. So you're able to do that. So you have, and then of course, your settings. You can add your own domain here. and things of that nature. You're going to set up all your information in here as well. Okay, not only can you set up your domains here, but if we go back over to the builder, okay, you come back here and you can go, let me see if I can find, domains. You can connect your domain here. The reason I haven't connected my domain here is simply because I've set up all of my emails. I got traffic running to it. That means I would have to go back and fix all the emails. So I'm just strictly running this as is, set up a URL redirect and another tool that I'm using, okay, for that. But you're able to do all of that with this little tool, okay? So let me show you the little funnel system that I have set up, inside of here. So with this one here, if I actually open up this page, then if I come over here, let's go to the next one. I'm going to open up this page. Let me move it over here. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to open up this page and I'm going to move it here. So this is the little system that we have set up. The opt-in page, someone opts in, okay? Then he explains how it's done for you in this video, who he is and all of that. Just telling people to follow the steps. Okay, and then access, once they get the system, this is what they're going to, once they decide they want it, come to this page, watch the video, join all of these income streams, okay, with a $1 5-day trial. You're going to get the solo ad network, you're going to get the AdSense, okay, network. This is where you're going to get your CPA offers, and this is where you can earn $100 commission here. So you have 4 different income streams in that little system, and then it walks you through the process of setting it up. So if you want to just get the funnel builder, click the first link in the description. But if you want to get this system, okay, you're going to click that second link in the description to get your system and just go through this process here and get everything set up. But let's get back to the website builder. Okay, along with the website builder here, I can come back and go to my other funnel. I can add a domain, okay? As you see here, let me click on it again. You see I've had 49 visitors, and yes, I made some sales with it, okay? So it does work. I haven't done any of these right here, this page here yet, okay? But it does work, and I'm getting CPA sales through this as well. So you're actually able to come over here if you say you wanted to. Let's come over here and let's add a new step. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to add a new step, and you can do your section label, pop-up, pages. If I click on page, okay, here's where you're going to have other templates in the funnel builder as well that you can use. You have lead generation templates, you have webinar templates, you have checkout templates, all of these templates, product templates, thank you page templates in here, home, whatever you want, everything in here. All of this is in here, landing pages, whatever, events coming soon, pricing, membership courses, login registrations, and then you can do an empty page if you want to, okay? So you're able to set up membership sites in here. Whatever it is that you want to do, you can do that inside of this little funnel builder, the AdSense funnel builder. The first link is going to take you to this page where you can get just the builder if you want that. The second link is going to take you here to this page where you can get the entire system set up and done and have it inside of your funnel builder. Now, I highly recommend, if you don't want to do it, get the done for you services, okay? But if not, you can do it yourself. It's just going to take you a little while to get it done, but you can get the done for you service here as well. So with that being said, I hope you got value out of this video. Like the video, share the video. Go ahead, click the links in the description, choose whichever one you want. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Get your AdSense builder here, and reach out to me if you have any questions. My info will be above. With that being said, subscribe to the channel. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.